Okay, I've been consulting SEO marketers and SEO bloggers. So the most common mistakes in AI SEO workflows they make is not using any AI automation softwares. Because you can do a review at the backend, but you need some certain AI automation software which can completely generate plus publish plus it can take inputs of keywords. Now what I mean by that, so this URL right here, what it does is it auto fetches a keyword. You don't have to do anything. So I already added the keywords, SEO keywords feed. It will fetch the keywords. I didn't even have to enter what title you need to produce, and I can simply give how many intervals like every single day and a number of articles to produce in each day. So I can go here into the feeds. I can simply create a feed and it auto fetches all the keywords which has a good volume and difficulty. You can see 0 difficulty, 1 difficulty. It auto fetches everything, and we have got something around 83. It is based on domain. Okay, it will first analyze your domain authority score and then only fetches. So you're saying less volume keyword because my domain is new and I want to go with a low keyword difficulty, guys. So if I click on next, you can see all the other keywords too, right? So this is how you use AI automation software and not review in the background. So and then you spam with AI. So if you take 1 minute to produce one article, that doesn't mean you have to produce 100 articles in one single day, right? So it's just like a spam, right? There's no human experience, anything, no examples, no good people first content. If you don't know, there'll be a link in the description. You can book a call with me. But yeah, people spam with AI. So it's better to produce one article per day. As mentioned right here, you can customize it. If I go to the configuration, you can see one article per batch and one single day. I even have the option to produce every hour, but I'll just put in every day. One article a day is enough.